this came through a lot quicker than I thought it was going to. But nonetheless, we're gonna do an unboxing video so you guys can see the parts that are gonna go. Oh, the stickers they send. Those are definitely going on the sticker cabinet. You guys can see the parts that are going to go with the excellent new bike. $100 wine voucher. Holy. So apparently I have a $100 wine voucher. Ha! $100 off any case of wine priced at $179 or more. Delivery included. Your money back if you are not totally tantalized. I feel like I'm not going to be totally tantalized if I need to spend $179 to save $100. But anyways, these are going to be the new lights that are going to go on the biker, on the bobber build. So they are iShot Oxford Neptune LED lights. So obviously we will be getting a new flasher relay for it, just to make sure that we don't have that issue of the too fast of a flash. They're the same amber color that you would expect, and that's that. More importantly, our next box to open. My God, they really packaged the crap out of this. But we're just going to cut it. Here's the next thing we're doing. And this will replace that light bar that I'm getting rid of. Oh, this is the actual order. Cool. So this is like the coolest part of this build. It's going to actually say stop. That's going to be the old school. I actually think it was going to be this big. That's actually ginormous, but I love it.
This is huge. That's what she said.
It's going to be the old school style light. And this is going to be the mount for the license plate and rear tail light, and that's going to mount right onto the side. I think that's going to look awesome, and I went with the stop one just because I thought that would look sick, and it does absolutely look sick. But yeah, so this is going to replace that light bar, like I said. Again, that light bar cannot be used in the way that I wanted it to be used, so I'm going to put both things. So again, if you would like one of those light bars, even if you don't want one of them, you just want the sticker, I'm still going to send you the light bar. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do all three of those things. And if you want to go back and like and comment on the other two videos about with the link to this in the video, go ahead. You'll get 3 chances instead of just 1, because you liked the first video, the other video, and the third video. You'll get 3 chances at that wonderful giveaway that I'm doing. So there you have it. That's the unboxing of the Oxford tail or turn signals and this beautiful custom, not really custom, license plate holder and bobber style tail light. I'm very excited about that.